Hello, students. Today we will do the elephant's nose. Have you ever thought about the elephant's nose? Why they are having big nose? No one else is having, only the elephants. Do you know? Previously, they were not having big nose. They were having very small nose. The elephants were having very small nose. Do you know what was the size of the elephant's nose? It was not bigger than a shoe. Means very small size of a shoe. Do you know once what happened? A elephant baby was there. It was so curious about everything, like you all are, to ask questions every time. What is this? What is that? How this thing happened? How that thing happened? Means the elephant baby was also same like you, always going on asking questions. So once what happened, the elephant baby asked his family that what does a crocodile have for dinner? And it was like, shh. All the animals said, don't talk about it. But that was a baby. How he could be quiet? So one day he met a bird. The bird's name was Kolo Kolo bird. So it went to the Kolo Kolo bird and asked, where can I find this crocodile? And Kolo Kolo bird said, you have to go to the grey, green, greasy Limpopo river and you will get your answer. And the excited baby went to the Limpopo river. And what did it find there? Something was there which winked an eye. It was just looking like a log, means a piece of wood which just winked one eye. That means opened one eye slowly. And the elephant baby asked him, excuse me, have you ever seen a crocodile? The elephant baby asked him politely. And the animal opened the other eye also and said, I am the crocodile. Then the elephant's child was very much excited. It kneeled down to that animal and said, what do you have for dinner? Can you tell me? And the crocodile said, come near to me. I will say in your ears. I cannot talk loudly about this. And the elephant baby went near to the crocodile. And that clever crocodile, what it did, it caught the elephant by its nose. And the elephant baby was pulling itself out, and the crocodile was pulling its nose. They both were pulling each other, pulling. And then the Kolo Kolo bird also came to help the elephant baby. They both were pulling, going on pulling. And the elephant's nose was going on stretching. At last, the crocodile have to let it go. Then what happened? The elephant baby fall down. And when the baby saw its nose, the elephant baby cannot see the end of its nose, where it is going. Its nose has become so long, which can move in the air, and it hurted him also. So he wrapped his nose in banana leaves and waited for the nose to shrink, become small. The baby waited and waited, but the nose was still so long. It never became small. I hope you all have enjoyed this chapter. And now you all are knowing that how elephants are having a big nose. Bye everyone.